Most of your brilliant ideas are dying in a graveyard of boring bullet points. You spend 2 hours writing a genius strategy, but when you actually present it, people zone out by slide 3. Think about it. Your brain processes visuals 60,000 times faster than text. But you're not a graphic designer, and you definitely don't have 3 hours to wrestle with Canva. Today, we're looking at
Napkin AI. It's the first visual AI that doesn't just generate art, it generates meaning. You give it a paragraph, it gives you a professional diagram in 6 seconds. No prompts, no drawing, no talent required. Let's track it. Napkin AI isn't another Midjourney or DALL-E. It's what I call a business storytelling engine.
Imagine a document editor that has a professional designer living inside the Enter key. In 2026, the tech has evolved. We're talking about true text-to-visual intelligence.
You highlight a sentence, and Napkin's Spark AI suggests flowcharts, Venn diagrams, or cycles that actually fit the logic of your words. Every icon and arrow is dynamic. You can swap them, color code them to your brand, or move them around without the whole layout breaking. It's got a library of over 10,000 icons, covering everything from SWOT analyses to complex mind maps. Let's see it in action. I'm pasting this dry, boring paragraph about improving team synergy and a 4-step workflow. Honestly, reading this makes me want to take a nap. But watch this. I click the Spark icon next to the text. In one click, Napkin's AI generates 6 distinct visual directions for me. I'm looking at everything from a step-by-step progress flow to a layered architectural view. I'm gonna go with this overlapping Venn diagram right here. It perfectly illustrates how these different team departments intersect. Now, with just a click, I'm switching the palette to this electric blue theme to make it pop. That took 12 seconds. In Google Slides, that's 20 minutes of aligning boxes, and honestly, a lot of frustration. Now let's talk data. If I list out market shares, 30% for company X, 20% for company Y, Napkin doesn't just dump that into a boring static spreadsheet. Look at these suggestions. It automatically generates segmented donut charts and proportional pie graphs that actually visualize the slice of the pie each player owns. It even offers a Sankey diagram, that's this flow-style chart on the right, which is perfect for showing how data or budget moves from one category to the next. Instead of just staring at numbers, your audience can instantly see the scale and the relationship between those figures. It's not just about reporting data, it's about making that data impossible to ignore. So who is actually using this? First, founders. Put these in your pitch decks. Investors hate reading, they love seeing growth loops. Second, educators. Turn a flat lesson plan into an interactive mind map. Your students will actually remember what they saw. And third, content creators. You can export these as SVGs or PNGs for LinkedIn carousels. It is the absolute secret sauce for high engagement posts right now. Here's the breakdown on pricing for 2026.
The AI tool tracker verdict? Napkin AI is a must-have. It solves the blank page problem for design. You can write a sentence. You can now design a masterpiece. I've put a link to Napkin AI in the description. Go try the free version and see how many wow reactions you get in your next meeting. If this helped you save some time today, hit that subscribe button. We're tracking the tools so you don't have to. I'll see you in the next one.